So this is my laptop Omen 15 and I'm going to change the thermal paste. 2 years have passed and because the laptop was getting hotter like your mom. So I need to change the thermal paste. Okay, now I'm going to flip the laptop and shabam! 360 baby! 180, I mean, whatever. Now let's open those screws. Bam! Naked. The next thing is I will disconnect the battery first to minimize the risk of a short circuit. Okay, now I need to remove these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So this is the thermal paste on the plate is already dry like a book. Okay, now let's clean the plate with the alcohol and swipe. Clean as new, I think. So I think this is the CPU and this is the GPU. Okay, let's clean this thing. So I'm using earbuds, I mean cotton buds to clean the sides. The thermal paste I'm going to use is the Arctic MX4. I'm going to make a line for the CPU and then I'm going to spread it out evenly. And for the GPU, I'm going to make a X mark because it's big, like my P. Okay, let's see if my laptop is cooling down.